The world and the economic landscape is changing at a rapid pace, and the youth has to change for the new global reality. Excellencia is the part of that solution, training the next generation.
Excellencia is 18 months old. We came with a new mindset in this education sector to train these students to face the challenges of these new times.
Having completed his Masters in Chemistry from Hyderabad Central University in 1996, Mr. Venkat Muriki has served as an eminent faculty at prestigious institutions for over 17 years. Taking his mission forward to raise the bar of providing world-class education, he has now established Excellencia, a first-ever multi-facility model junior college for national and international competitive examinations.
60% of our campus is dedicated to extracurricular activities like sports, yoga, and a platform to encourage the inherent talents of the students.
Excellencia. The name itself indicates excellence and smartness. Here, it's a soothing and eco-friendly environment with stress-free education and life. We are encouraged to enrich in our academics as well as in our co-curricular activities. This all enlightens our minds, due to which we enrich in our academics. The faculty here is highly experienced and their motive is to encourage and support us. I'm really proud being a part of Excellencia.
My goal is to become a video game developer, and for that I had to choose a college with SIT course. So I chose Excellencia. The faculty in Excellencia is brilliant and is helping me in clearing the SAT test in the best possible way.
We are proud to say that we have achieved great success within this short period of time. Our students have performed phenomenally well. A lot of credit goes to our experienced faculty and the designs of our programs, which helps to focus on each and every child on one-to-one basis.
My name is Snehita and my hometown is Nalgonda. Now I am studying in inter second year of MPC group. I stood first in entire Telangana in board examinations of the academic year 2015-16. I always aspired to become an IITian, and here at Excellencia is uplifting my capabilities to fulfill my ambitions.
The well-facilitated libraries, laboratories and highly experienced faculty of Excellencia enables me to not just learn the subject but to explore it in and beyond the classroom. Here at Excellencia, we have students from all parts of the country, yet we all blend in as a family in this homely and fresh atmosphere. Every festival here is celebrated with utmost zest and enthusiasm.
And I came from the Maldives after living there for the past 10 years as an expatriate. I obtained all of my previous education from there and I decided to come here for further education. After coming to this college, I realized that this place was exactly what I needed, and the faculty here is very motivating, and I'm glad to be here.
It is not just right-needed education, we are also dedicated to provide every student of Excellencia good food, hygienic living spaces and security. We have successfully won the trust of 650 plus parents in their past 18 months and will continue to do so.
have students who come from different regions and some from even small towns, and we make sure that they are goal oriented with right motivation and confidence, so their talent is upgraded to higher levels globally. Creating a perfect educational and peaceful atmosphere was our prime objective. Excellencia is a college with a character of discipline, progress and unconditional support towards well-being.
I am Raghu Verabelli. I am one of the founding members of Excellencia. I've been working in IT for more than 20 years, of which 15 plus years in US. Now here in Hyderabad, I am managing partner of an IT company called GGK Technologies. There is a huge gap between what our academia is producing today and what industry is looking for. We are looking for candidates with strong analytical, logical, communication and people who are self-confident and who are having independent thinking. That's the focus here in Excellencia. Those are the foundations that we would like to build in the 2-year intermediate program. In addition to that, we also want students to prepare for SAT so that they can apply for undergraduate studies in US and other countries.